I'm giving a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the nicest one. You got to subscribe to the channel. Go to Twitter. Follow at cryptobtc_Chris. If you go down to the description of this video, there's a TikTok link. You got to follow me on TikTok. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pullback. Wait a minute. Rewind. June the 21st. What's this? Yesterday's video. We talked about a 68% chance that this breaks to the downside to this level. About 20,000. Banging. Nailed it. You know how much easier this market is to trade when you've got somebody constantly updating you on what's going on? A lot easier. 68% chance of break to the downside, and then I posted this bear flag, break to the downside, quite possible, and here we are. Now, bulls need 20,000 back. Otherwise, I mean, you lose this level. Let's just take the measured move. You lose this level. Measured move is really down here, right about 18,900. Here it is. You want to end up down here? You don't bounce here. Bulls don't show up. You're coming down here. Now, this has some bullish divergence possible on a bounce. I mean, on a bounce, you could get a nice double bottom. We just have to see. This is not predicting. Trading is not predicting. You react to the moves and the signals that the price action gives you. It bounces, you open longs. Up here, when it's about to break out to the downside, obviously you open shorts. It's that simple. The price action tells you what to do. This is the 4-hour chart. Not much price action has been printed. So when I talk about that, I mean, look here. You have a ton of price action being charted, and this is huge bear pennant, right? Well, here, I mean, this has just started, and we have a bear flag. So I said bulls got to pump this price to avoid hidden bearish divergence from playing out, right? You have your high, and then here's a lower high. Well, down here on the price action, you have a high and then a higher high. Hidden bearish divergence occurs in a downtrend. It means that the downtrend can continue. So you lose this level, you come down here. I mean, you could double bottom at 18,000, but if you see much lower prices, man, you have to think there's some buying opportunities coming for not only Bitcoin, but these altcoins are looking ridiculously cheap. However, I don't want to accumulate the downtrend. I want to wait and buy into strength, and that's what we're going to do. That's the plan. Buy into strength, keep a ton of money on the sidelines, trade with us. You don't know the rules of this market, you cannot win. I have some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, before he joined the group, he was watching numbers of people online. He put 500 USDT in the market, watching Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. He had $83 left in 2 weeks, right? So he got wrecked, 80%. He's like, what the F did I do? How many bills could I have covered with that? You ever have that happen where you put in a bunch of money and you just lose it? Then I started following your plans and your videos. He turned $83 into $1,143 in less than a month on a Solana short. Dude, you learn to trade this market both ways. You make a killing. This person, up $14,000 in 2 weeks. Crazy. This person, he said, I turned $3,500 into $130,000 with your crypto setups. This is twice what I earned working my job. Dude, this lifetime is not about going to work, sipping coffee, sitting in traffic, working for the man. You have the biggest financial opportunity right in front of you, and all you have to do is learn how to trade these coins. You sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount, 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I can do it, you can do it. Banger Central. Every single day we hit bangers. 24%, 31%, 56%, 58%. Killing it. The SEC comes out and says they're preparing for a full audit with a top 12 firm to provide more transparency for the USDT reserves because, the United States is going to come out and look at these stablecoins under a microscope, and they want to be very up to speed. Tether does, right? Tether is the largest stablecoin by far. USDC right behind that. So again, Tether, they've been around forever. Like you used to be able to buy Tether, and that's how you onboarded fiat into crypto on the Tether website. You bought it with cash, you bought Tether, and then you sent it to your exchange. And that's how it was done years and years and years ago. Tether, there's so much fun about it all the time, but dude, it's been here. It hasn't failed. ES1. Now, we talked about this idea as far as being super bullish. I mean, you have this possible inverse head and shoulders, but it's pulling back right now. The stock market is pulling Bitcoin down. Strategy is only as good as it is, and well, it's working, and when it doesn't, you have to change. But you have to think that if the stock market shows up and does something crazy as far as bullish move to the upside, it'll drag Bitcoin higher, and it has been. So we're paying attention to this. And the reason why I like ES1 exclamation point is because it's futures. It's open around the clock, and it takes a lot of guesswork out of it. Not open on the weekends, but it's the S&P 500, and it moves around the clock. eBay acquires leading NFT marketplace, known origin. eBay NFTs. NFTs might be getting their teeth kicked in right now with the rest of crypto. But when the noobs come back, when the no coiners come in, when everybody FOMOs into the market, NFTs are going to explode again. So will these altcoins. People are going to fall in love with these coins. My goal every single day is to keep you motivated to continue to learn this market, because I've already done this. I've already went through a 2018 bear market where I actually quit working in the bear market. But you have to you need somebody to keep you focused, to keep you energized, to keep you updated, and to keep you learning. And I want to be that person. There's no question in my mind, NFTs are the future. Without metaverse is the future. Yeah, they're getting wrecked now, but listen, you can't always, the valuation of a project or idea isn't always directly connected to its value. Look at Bitcoin right now. Got killed. But it's going to 5 or 6x from here. Over time, listen, over time, I mean, you can only imagine the amount of upside that Bitcoin, crypto, these altcoins, you just have to understand there's a hype cycle. Sell the top, take profits, pay yourself. Pay yourself. Coinbase added a ton of new coins. DYP, it was up like 400%. ALF, HOPR, Math, PRQ, and Elastos got added to Coinbase. These coins obviously pumped. There's still a pump factor. These coins got added to Coinbase. Coinbase is doing a lot, really. They've added a lot of coins, and they're giving people in the United States access to a lot of these coins. Now, I definitely recommend you trade on Kucoin, the small cap bangers. That link is in the description, but it's good to see Coinbase trying to add more coins, these smaller cap coins, to their offering. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.